jokes she breathes.
My children, why do you hurt me? I gave you rivers, you poisoned them. I gave you forests, you cut them. I gave you air, you filled it with smoke. I'm your mother, and I'm dying.
But there is hope. 17 dreams, 17 promises. If we live them, we save her and ourselves.
No poverty. No one should sleep on the streets. No one should live in misery. Together, let us erase poverty forever. No one left behind.
Zero hunger. Food is a right, not a privilege. Share a plate, grow with care, waste no grain. Zero hunger, healthy future. Zero hunger, healthy future. Good health and well-being. True wealth is health. In hospitals, pure air, safe medicine. Health for every life. Health for all.
Quality education. Every child deserves a book, a pen, a teacher. Education is the ladder to dignity.
Education is freedom.
Gender equality. Equal voices, equal chances, equal respect. The world grows stronger when women rise.
Equal rights, equal world. Clean water and sanitation. Water is life. Do not waste it. Do not poison it. Every drop is sacred. Save water, save life.
Affordable and clean energy from the sun, from the wind, from the waves. Let energy be clean and fair.
Go green, go clean.
Decent work and economic growth. No child labor, no exploitation. Work must bring dignity, not pain.
Work fair, live fair.
Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Build wisely, innovate smartly. Connect people. Progress with balance.
Innovate to elevate. Reduce inequalities. Rich or poor, strong or weak, all deserve equal dignity. Justice for all.
Sustainable cities and communities. Cities should breathe, villages should bloom. Homes must be green, safe and fair.
Smart, safe, sustainable.
Responsible consumption and production. Don't waste, reuse, recycle, reduce. Live simply so others may simply live.
Let's waste more future.
Climate action. Act now or it will be too late. Plant, protect, preserve. Climate is our responsibility.
One earth, one chance.
Life below water. Oceans are not dustbins. Save the seas, save the fish, save the blue planet.
Blue planet forever.
Life on land. Forest, animal, soil. Protect them and they protect us.
Green earth, clean earth.
Peace, justice, and strong institutions. Without peace, there is no progress. Without justice, there is no future.
Peace is power.
Partnerships for the whole. Together we rise, together we heal, together we can.
Stronger together.
Dear elders, will I have air to breathe? Will I have water to drink? Will I have forests to play in? Or will I inherit smoke, war and hunger? The answer is in your hands today.
My children, you have heard the 17 voices. They are not dreams, they are duties. If you live them, I will heal. If you forget them, you will fall.
50 years, our school has planted seeds of wisdom. Now, on this jubilee, we promise to live the 17 goals, to protect our planet, to care for one another, to build a world of peace and justice.
We are the Jubilee generation. We are the change. We are the future.
Sister Bennett,
2014 to 2018, the silent swell. With profound grace and silent determination, she
Sister Marina, entrusted with the Jubilee moment, she carries the legacy forward with new strength. As the school turns 50, her hands hold both tradition and tomorrow.
अरे भाई, ये इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है? I understand your concerns. पर हम इस बात पर भी ध्यान दें कि हम बात कर रहे हैं इस नवयुग की।
ठीक कहा तुमने। खोज नवीनीकरण के रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ रही है हमारी युवा पीढ़ी, और इन्होंने वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, मेड इन इंडिया और सस्टेनेबिलिटी के मूल मंत्र को ध्यान में रखते हुए अपनी दिशा निर्धारित की है।
क्या वाकई?
हाँ अंकुर, ठीक तुम्हारी तरह। हाँ, तुम्हारी तरह। सिर्फ गौर से देखो, पहले दशक की में नव अंकुर बना हमारा पहला सितारा।
प्रेम से सींचा दूसरा दशक, यानी कि प्रिया हमारा दूसरा सितारा।
निडर, निर्भीक, देशभक्ति से ओतप्रोत, तीसरे दशक में बढ़ता हुआ वीर।
आत्ममंथन, जीवन मूल्यों से सजा चौथा दशक, आत्मिक।
और इन सब के मेल योगदान से उन्नति करता पांचवा दशक।
तो ये थी वो कहानी जो स्वर्णा ने सबको सुनाई, लेकिन स्वर्णा कहाँ गई?
मैं तो स्वर्णा हूँ, स्वर्णिमा, स्वर्ण जयंती, golden jubilee, the golden saga, from seeds to stars, a golden spark to a splendid legacy.
और इस तरह मैंने किया मानव जीवन का आगाज। मानव ने किया उन्नति, तरक्की का आगाज एक नई उम्मीद का, नई दिशा का, नव जीवन का, नए युग का, उम्मीदों का, जज्बे का, आशाओं और सपनों का आगाज, आगाज, आगाज।
3, 2, 1.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
cosa. Y la cosa buena, y la cosa buena. Sube tu papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum. Y la cosa suena, y la cosa suena. Sube tu papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum. Y la cosa suena. Sube tu papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum. Y la cosa suena. Sube tu papá.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, आपकी ताली.
Reverend fathers, beloved sisters, honorable officials, devoted parents, cherished alumni, dedicated teachers, esteemed co-workers, and my ever vibrant students.
As the golden curtain of this glorious evening draws to a silent close, the air vibrates with a gratitude like a hymns of the heart rising heavenwards.
This is not the end of a celebration, it is the continuation of a legacy, the flowering of 50 years of vision, virtue, and victory.
Today, as we stand upon this sacred threshold, we look back not merely upon history, but upon heritage, not merely upon years, but upon values that have sculpted St. Thomas into a living temple of learning and light.
Gratitude, St. J.K. Chesterton, is happiness doubled by wonder, and truly, this evening glows with a wonder, woven from the golden thread of faith, labor, and love that binds us across generations.
At this glorious struggle have awakened both reflection and renewal in our spirits.
We offer our deep appreciation for our guest of honor, our beloved Mother Prioress Sister Asha, whose gracious presence illuminated this evening with a spiritual fragrance and the Leopian spirit of warmth, wisdom, and serenity. Mother, your leadership is not merely administrative, it is inspirational, a quiet force that molds character with compassion and conviction.
Our heartfelt thanks to the SDM, Mr. Shaurav Mishra, SDOP, Mr. Alok Srivastav, DEO, Mr. D.D. Rajak, and BEO, Mr. Rajen Srivastav, whose august presence dignified this celebration. Your encouragement bridges the realms of education and administration, reminding us that true leadership begins with enlightenment.
We extend a bouquet of gratitude to all the Reverend Fathers and religious sisters from various congregations whose prayer and presence have adorned this evening with the spiritual fragrance.
And now, with deepest reverence, we turn our heart toward those luminaries who once stood at the helms of this institution.
do. Let's do. We live in a crazy world, caught up in a wild place. Complete jungle life, sometimes a bad place. It's you and me together, the end of a wild day. To keep it all bottled up, needs your energy. Only reason we are here is to celebrate. The place where anyone can be anything. Hold on to this moment, don't let it fade away. Baby, keep the music playing. Come on, everybody. What is your anything? What we turning the floor into? Let's do. Come on, keep it up. It's fun if you're down to play. And we turning the floor into.
Yes, take promise, yes. This is your day. This evening is yours. And you have proved that you may still found the school proud. I request you all to join hands in the Jubilee anthem.
Golden Jubilee, we celebrate Golden Jubilee. Golden Jubilee, we celebrate Golden Jubilee.
We request all the teachers and dignitaries to please join us on stage, in front of the stage, and sing the Jubilee anthem with us.
50 years of light and grace, a journey time cannot erase. Tiny seeds of love were sown, now our stars they blaze and shine.
This is the time to make some noise.
Too high to fly, we've risen high, from seas to stars.
From seeds to stars.
Our pride and our song, in faith and wisdom, we've grown so strong. A golden spark of truth we raise. St. Thomas School, we sing your praise. Guided by love, inspired by life, we journey through both day and night. Teachers, mentors, hearts so kind, shaping each soul, each
I request our principals, teachers, all the principals, all the sisters who are present here to please come and join in the summer of celebration. Let us not resist ourselves from being a part of this Gala Gala event.
our pride and our song, in faith and wisdom, we've grown so strong. A golden spark,
Yes, we are the golden jubilees. Let us all join in this celebration. Come children, raise your hands and clap. Prove the body and joy.
bound by love, untouched by hate.
We request all the dignitaries sitting in front to please join us. Teachers, do join your classes.
Our morning star, St. Thomas,
Thank you, dignitaries, for being there.
in faith and wisdom, we've grown so strong. A golden spark of truth we raise. St. Thomas School, we sing your praise. From seas to stars, our journey flows, where wisdom
Wow, this is magnificent, majestic. Wow, wow, and just wow.
St. Thomas, our star.
Here's the first St. Thomas, our star. So much you have awaited for this day, dear children. Great round of applause for yourself. Come on, clap for yourself.
Golden Jubilee,
Yes, I think this is the moment we have been waiting for. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, dignitaries, for joining us here on stage. All the sisters, thank you so much. Teachers, I request you to please take the students. Students disperse from left and right in line. Your parents are waiting. Okay. Students, please stand at your place. Dignitaries are requested to please be at their places. We are all waiting for the national anthem. हम अब नेशनल एंथम राष्ट्रगान के सम्मान में अपने अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। आप सभी को जहां तक मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है, कुछ ही देर में राष्ट्रगान प्ले किया जाएगा। तो आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि राष्ट्रगान नेशनल एंथम के सम्मान में अपनी अपनी जगह पर अटेंशन पोजीशन में खड़े हो जाएं।